Dani. No, Deus, só vamos esperar aqui tudo. Valeu que tu deixa, velho.
Boom, and with another one. It is Saturday, September 2nd, 2023. We got some FIGURATIs, Corleone Forged, orange accents, orange windows, black face with the orange letters. Powder coated lips. I think he working with 19s and 20s. Yeah, 19s and 20s. 19 in the front, 20s in the rear. Let's see what the car working with. So this is what we got right here. Corvette Z06. You can see it's orange with black stripes and black accents also. They got a peanut butter interior. Oh yeah, got peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter. Beautiful car, man. You know, when the Corvette, when they released this car, this style, body style, it was hated on because it resembled like a Lamborghini or Ferrari kind, from what people were saying, you know. Haters hate. Even the bees love it. Bees flying all over it. They see the orange, they're like, oh my God. What is this? So right now, you can see, look at the sun rays. That looks beautiful right now. Picture perfect. We are currently taking the sensors out, factory ones, and putting them in with the new wheels. Got my cousin, CG, San Francisco Garcia. CG, eh? Corvette, see. My cousin. It's my, hey, it's my cousin.
Yeah, I didn't make a video for you, bro.
Like really good. Veja. Sponsored by McDonald's. Phoenix. It's a nice interior on there, bro. Sheet. Got the Dodge Hemi. A wrap job on there. Dual brake caliper setup on the rear for the stopping power. Power within the hour.
Nada, está out, man.
Oh, yeah, see you, man. One spin, 0-0. Viva la México, Francisco. Muy bien, my guy. Good job. Salvador, só que te bina. They already got one ready, man. Well, they got 3 ready. They're working on the 4th one. I ain't gonna lie, this thing gonna be really nice. Rolling on the street, shit. Boy, don't get it twisted. Corleone Forged, man. I make sure I come by Corleone Forged, get you a custom set of wheels. You hear me? We out here in Fort Worth, Texas, at Corleone Forged and Most Customs. My guys are checking it for a leak test. Make sure it's not leaking. This is Robert.
What's up, guys?
He's a good guy right here.
Yeah, it was slow leaking. Yeah.
That's good. Yeah. Good job. No good. Check out that sunset, Francisco. Sunset, yeah. See, everybody checking, and the guys that check it, they see a leak, they have to fix it, and then recheck it. As you can see, everybody got to take accountability. If I checked it and it was leaking and I ain't fix it, I ain't tell nobody, it's on me.
Okay.
Bueno para esto de driver.
Yeah.
Driver. Hey, yes sir. Yes, nice. What you think, Francisco? Bueno? Match?
Yeah.
Wow. Beautiful. Look at that mug, man. Come on now. It's a sunny day. Look at the sky. Man, that thing, man, look at the skies, bro. Beautiful, bro. I swear. Sky is so, man. Shit. You see the sun rays, bro? That's beautiful, bro. That's life. That's shit right there. That's all I need. I don't need nothing else. I need some nice skies. That's it. I'm good. Good for the day. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. That chocolate ought to be.
Yeah.
What's up?
What is he doing in that car?
He just put it over there and make him busy.
Yeah.
Maybe he's busy, right?
Make it look like he's busy, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, that's what he's doing. We closed for the day. Ja, waar is je liquid? Good.
No, what's the
Er is, ja?
Maybe
Shake it real good, brother.
Alrighty. Check the aire. Y para esto de caro. No, you're good, brother. No problem. CG Forge, CG Forge, CG Forge. There you go. All right, there you go. First mount of the day.
Huh? Oh. Ah. I'm sorry, bro.
We gotta get the center caps. Robert's gonna go get the lug nuts. And I'll go get the center caps. So we'll be back here in about 5 seconds.
What are you doing, Chia?
Clean it, clean it. Every time you clean it before customer is going. Because if you put them on, labor is like like pieces, man. Job.
Hva gick de har till? Kolla han så. Eko.
Huh? I
Bra.
don't know, man. It's Saturday, September 12th, September 2nd. We got a 2023 Z06. Fitted on 19, 20-inch Figurati Corleone Forged. It's a color match with the car. They got black axles to match the car, black trim.
All right.
Oh.